ancient technology to showcase the eternal beauty of the Grand Canyon. But its simplicity of form is deceptive. As a major engineering project, many obstacles challenge the creators of Skywalk. A beautiful but barren location, ancient geology, tribal controversy and environmental restrictions, ripping wind, and the fear of building a glass bridge over an enormous cliff, just off the imposing west rim of the Grand Canyon. The Skywalk is located almost 120 miles east of Las Vegas, in one of the most desolate areas of the United States. A harsh climate contributes to the isolation. Temperatures range from 115 degrees Fahrenheit in summer to 28 degrees Fahrenheit in winter. Winds over 100 miles per hour have been measured, blowing through the canyon. This forbidding landscape is home to the Wallapai Nation. For decades, the Wallapai have opened their reservation to tourism to help support the tribe. But their main commercial enterprise, river rafting, is modest. In 1996, entrepreneur and developer David Jin approaches the Wallapai with a bold idea. He's a tour operator who's been bringing tourists to Wallapai sites for years. He proposes building something new to draw more visitors. A glass-bottomed walkway or observation deck, jutting out over the west rim of the Grand Canyon, complete with a visitor center.
I've been doing business with the Wallapai tribe for a long time, over 10 years, and I love this location. First, it's very close to Las Vegas.